Introducing the new 4 Post Servo Press by MetalPress. This 35-ton model is just one of the sizes available in our servo press lineup. This series is built for precision, speed, quiet operation, and repeatability. Engineered for manufacturers, tier suppliers, and production lines that demand exact force control, consistent part quality, speed, and minimal downtime. The servo-driven system applies precise tonnage with programmable stroke profiles, giving you total control over forming, joining, and press fit applications. High-resolution servo motor with closed-loop control for fully programmable force and position. Intuitive HMI with data monitoring, part traceability, and recipe storage. Energy-efficient design that consumes less power than hydraulic systems while reducing noise and maintenance. That means tighter tolerances, fewer rejected parts, and a more efficient production floor, translating directly into higher output and lower operating costs. This innovative servo series offers models from 10 tons up to 200 tons. Visit MetalPressMachinery.com to explore the MTP-SV 4 Post Servo Press, request a demo, or speak with our team about a solution tailored to your application.